I plan to install 9 inches car stereo to my vehicle. Therefore, I bought a new frame for car head unit. Shall we see how to fix it? This is my factory car stereo frame. It is made for 7-inch car stereo system. However, I need to remove few parts in the old frame, especially AC vent and control switches. This is the new frame to fix 9-inch car stereo system. Shall we install the AC vents, control switches removed from the factory car stereo frame? If you are willing to watch my future videos, click on the subscribe button and also, click the notification. Then you will be notified new video uploads. Now, you can install the 9-inch car stereo system to the new frame. There are screw nails given to mount the car stereo system. Do not over tight but fix it properly. After the device is mounted to the frame, check twice that no loose connections. Now we can install this unit into the car. This is the look after mounting new car stereo system with frame. What do you think about his transformation? Your comments are welcome and, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Be innovative and, stay with SetNFix.